Do you want a video
Get
like
busy
this
living or
where
get
an
busy
AI
dying.
character is talking the
Many of
lines
life's
you want it
failures
to
are people
say?
who did not realize
Well,
how
keep
close they
watching.
were to success when they gave up.
Hey guys, today we're gonna look at how we can create a talking AI avatar. So let's get straight into the video, and first and foremost, let's search this talking AI avatar by Rajan Edits. And I want you to open this first link which you see here. Then if you scroll down, you will find this button. Once you click that, this site will open up for you. And once you come here, this is the home page. Simply click where it says create a video, and then you can start by adding a photo. But first and foremost, you need to log into your account so you get the free 20 credits, and then you can upload a picture or you can select one of these models. Let's find a suitable picture for our needs. We can use any image, whichever you prefer. For the sake of this example, let's try using this one. After you have decided which picture to use, simply come back here and click on the add button and select your picture. If your image type is not supported, simply search for WebP to PNG so you can convert your photo. Then simply select it and click convert. And once your picture has been converted to the PNG version, you can simply come back and select. Meanwhile, it is processing our image. Let's come here and search for quotes. You can use any quotes you like for your video. Remember, this is your video, so be creative with that. Choose what is best suitable for your needs. I'm just going to add these three and this one. Now you can choose a voice whichever you prefer. I'm gonna go with this Jenny. And you can add a style like friendly or cheerful. I will go with cheerful. Then once you're ready, you can simply click where it says generate video and click again on the generate video. There, your AI video has been generated.
The purpose of our lives is to be happy. Get busy living or get busy dying.
Then simply click on this download button to save the image. In order to remove the watermark from there, you can use any video editing software which you prefer. I prefer to use Adobe Premiere Pro, so I'm gonna show you how it is done there. Simply drag your video into the composition, and once it has been dragged into it, right here we can simply click on our clip and click here for where it says opacity. We need to select our rectangular mask tool, and you can mask the areas like this. So here you see we have our watermark. We want to hide that, so let's keep it like that here. You can adjust your size. Alright, our watermark has been hidden, and now since we're ready to go, we can simply press Ctrl M to export our footage, and there you have your video ready. Well, that was it for today's video. Really hope it was helpful to you. You should also definitely check out this video, and do leave a like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.